So 71 is fine. Indira Gandhi is okay. But if Prime Minister Modi does something about Operation Sindoor, or if he salutes the valor of our braves, that's a problem. ये तो सर गलत बात है ना, plain and simple. अब आप उसको डिफेंड कर लेंगे, but you see the tragedy is you're not in the Congress party, and I don't know why you're not in the Congress party. You haven't answered the question. I don't know what's wrong. अब ये सीधा सीधा सवाल है, but look at the discipline, the sense of restraint that you have. You don't want to speak about your party, but पार्टी ने आपको क्या दिया है? बाहर बिठा दिया. शशि थरूर तो रिडिक्यूल कर रहे हैं. क्या गलती थी आपकी संजय झा? प्रोफेसर मंडल, don't you want to see Sanjay Jha back in the Congress party?
Yeah, I think I completely with you, Pranesh, on this. I mean, I have been debating with Dr. Jha for last 5-6 years. He has never admonished the party in public, but this is the decision of the Congress internal party. I don't know why he's not in the party. And had I had any kind of influence that in the Congress party, I would definitely said that he should be in the party.
Sir, no one has influence in the Congress party. The Congress party has no influence left. One way, there are only some influencers that run the Congress party. कोई कुछ बचा नहीं है सर उसमें. जस्टिस फॉर संजय झा एक कैंपेन शुरू कर देते हैं. रवि श्रीवास्तव भी अग्री करेंगे. बट हमारा नुकसान है क्योंकि कांग्रेस doesn't appear on times now. तो फिर if Mr. Jha goes there, then that window will only have the chair. उसमें कोई होगा नहीं. ये तो इतने इंटॉलरेंट है ये. मोहब्बत की राजनीति, ये सब, all this is lofty words, nothing else. रवि श्रीवास्तव बोलिए.
In my opinion, Sanjay Jha is far more better outside the Congress party than being the inside.
हाँ सर, आप इनका
he's doing a far better service.
आपके जैसे अगर दोस्त हो जाए रवि श्रीवास्तव, आपके जैसे अगर दोस्त हो जाए तब तो फिर क्या बात है. या आप अरविंद केजरीवाल को भी बोल देते, you are far better outside the system than in the system. वो पार्टी नहीं बनती, लोकपाल मूवमेंट, वो आपके तो दोस्त थे.
तो मैंने बहुत समझाया था.
प्रणेश, एक बात बताऊं आपको प्रणेश,
वो कुछ बोल रहे हैं, लेट्स लिसन टू. बोलिए सर.
One analogy I'll talk about, that yesterday I heard Mr. Modi talking about Nehru ji and Patel on certain issue. Now this will be just like 65-70 years later, somebody will be discussing on Times Now that had Mr. Amit Shah not stopped everybody, Mr. Modi would have captured Islamabad and Karachi both.
देखिए रवि श्रीवास्तव, ये अब कौन क्या बोलता है सर, उस पे तो कंट्रोल नहीं है. आप भी क्या बोल जाते हैं. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू व्हाट टू से. You will be judged for what you are saying. I'll be judged for what I am saying. But the larger point is, Congress loves to hate patriots. That's the thing. और आप देख लीजिए ये कितने पूरे listed हैं. I mean, it is documented. Karan.
नहीं, not just patriots, Pranesh. Patriots, of course, we pointed out. Also those who have a thinking mind, who don't bow down deeper. तो संजय is a very good friend of mine. तो मेरे को बार बार जवाब नहीं दे रहे, पर मैं उनको देख कर ना I can read his mind. तो you know what Sanjay is thinking right now? He's thinking, मेरे लहजे में जी हुजूर ना था, बस मेरा इतना ही कसूर था. बस इनका इतना ही कसूर था कि इन्होंने जी हुजूर ना बोला, इन्होंने सच बोला, what he felt, and he followed his conviction and he wrote that. And this is precisely what Shashi Tharoor is doing right now. Shashi Tharoor, for crying out loud, Congress did not have him in the first 5 names for representing India. This man has been the in charge Under Secretary of Communications at United Nations, who could have been more competent than him from the Congress party to speak about it, and he's doing a damn good job today representing us, speaking about what Pakistan is, calling out their bluff. Even Owaisi
Shashi
gets
Tharoor
it.
is out
But
of
Rahul
favor.
Gandhi doesn't get it. That is the biggest problem. There is a reason why this man has lost 93 elections and he is still their prince in waiting. He is still their Maharaj. That is the reason. Congress loves incompetence. They want to celebrate failure. That is their state of mind. You must understand this. Anyone talented, anyone who has a right thinking mind, like my friend Sanjay Jha, is shown the door. And that is what needs to be called out today.
आरपी सिंह जी, आपको कैसा लगता है जब कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है कि बीजेपी के सुपर स्पोक्स पर्सन है शशि थरूर?
Well, problem, Pranesh, is that if they can't convince the people, how do they think they can convince the nation? शशि थरूर कन्विंस नहीं हो पा रहे, आनंद शर्मा कन्विंस नहीं हो पा रहे, मनीष तिवारी कन्विंस नहीं हो पा रहे, सलमान खुर्शीद कन्विंस नहीं हो पा रहे, and they think they can, even Ajay Maken is not convinced for that regard. बट संजय झा जी, आपको 5 बड़ी फॉलिस बताता हूं जो कांग्रेस ने की आजादी के बाद। आपने कहा आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ी, वो भी गलत है। आपकी जानकारी के लिए सबसे पहली बार 49 सिख तोप के गोले छोड़ाए गए थे कांग्रेस के बनने से 18 साल पहले 1872, जब तोप के गोले के आगे उड़ा दिए गए थे और ब्रिटिशर्स ने उड़ाए थे। परंतु कमिंग टू द 5 फॉलीज, कोको द्वीप इन अंडमान निकोबार was given on platter by no less than Nehruji to Myanmar. Kachadweep was given to Sri Lanka by no less than Mrs. Gandhi. 2006, I am not saying this is J.J. Singh's book, which is categorically stating that Mrs. Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, wanted to give sightseeing to Pakistan. And also that 1950, Tibet was created because of the mistake of Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, because he fed
आरपी सिंह जी, आप
China
एग्जाम्पल
army.
पढ़ते रह जाएंगे। वो सिर्फ वो जे सिंह को नहीं मानते, वो सिर्फ एक ही जे को मानते हैं जिसके बारे में राहुल गांधी बात कर रहे हैं। जे उससे आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं वो। यही तो प्रॉब्लम है। वो आप एग्जाम्पल देते जाइए। उस संजय झा को भी पता है, शशि थरूर को भी पता है, मनीष तिवारी को भी पता है, बट ये सब लोग अभी आउट ऑफ फेवर हैं बिकॉज यू सी दे आर पुटिंग इंडिया फर्स्ट, नॉट परिवार। कांग्रेस पार्टी में अगर ऐसे सल्यूट नहीं किया आपने हर रोज, तपस्या में अगर कमी रहेगी तो फिर ऐसे गाली सुनना पड़ेगा। उदित राज ऑफ ऑल पीपल comes and says this. Pawan Kheda then endorses that by retweeting it. Pawan Kheda though, is part of the inner circle or whatever circle, square, rectangle that, exists in the Congress party. Triangle actually, Bermuda Triangle. Isolated है completely. रवि श्रीवास्तव हंसिए मत, मैं सही बोल रहा हूं। I mean, people who are watching this broadcast, उनको भी लगेगा कि शशि थरूर की क्या गलती है, उनको बीजेपी स्पोक्स पर्सन क्यों बोल। आप अपने नेता को रिडिक्यूल कर रहे, क्यों? आपने ही भेजा है। अगर ऐसा है तो हटा दीजिए उनको। एक आपके और 99 है, हटा दीजिए। ऐसे करते करते 40 पे आ जाइए आप। एक एक लोगों को कम कर दीजिए आप। Monojit Mondal, quickly.
Can I come in?
Of course, sir.
Whatever Shashi Tharoor may do, one thing is very simple. He is a principled democratic and follower of Nehruvian idea. He can never be BJP spokesperson. That is my understanding of the scholar that Shashi Tharoor is. In fact, I have written about him also in one
Professor
of my books.
Mondal, ये
The
तो
kind
ये
of
तो सही
scholar
बात है,
part-
but no 1 minute, but the Congress party does not understand this. आप भी एक मैसेज भेज दीजिए. Try and see. Do you have Rahul's number? I don't know whether you have it or not. Take it from तहसीन पूनावाला और संजय झा दे देंगे आपको। और मे बी ही डजंट वांट टू बी इनडिसिप्लिन्ड और वो शायद शेयर ना करें। तहसीन से ले लीजिए सर, इट्स इन द फैमिली। We'll have to move on, viewers. Sanjay Jha, do you want to say something in the end? Because हमने campaign शुरू कर दिया है।
Pranesh, I just want to say one thing, that when it comes to the safety of India's citizens, all political parties have to rise beyond their parochial, provincial strategies and articulation. I think we need to all be statesman-like. And unfortunately, I mean, each one can blame the other. I think we are failing India collectively by one, politicizing the success of the armed forces, and secondly, indulging in extremely partisan and, in my opinion, sometimes a lot of vicious and vehement attacks on each other. I'm hoping that India's political class will demonstrate greater maturity and, in my opinion, more statesmanship.
Okay, continue to, say these wonderful things. I just hope that the inner circle of Rahul Gandhi is listening. One just hope that Rahul Gandhi is listening, sir. और कुछ हो जाए आपका संजय झा. I want you as much in the Congress party as we want you on the debate on Times Now. But let's leave that discussion for some other day.